Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tommy and I am a professional makeup artist. And on today's video, I am going to be showing you how to achieve a beautiful soft glam look on a black skin tone. I am going to be using my friend tonight today to show you this video. What this tutorial shows you is how to achieve a soft glam look, and also starting off with the basis of achieving a flawless base for a soft glam look. And if you want to be creative with this soft glam, you can build upon it, you can learn with it, but with no further ado, let's just get right into this video. First things first, we need a clean and moisturized base. Since Sanai has oily skin, I started by clearing out any oily residue using the CeraVe foaming cleanser. Next, I prepped her skin with my favorite moisturizer and primer. You can find all the products I use in my description below, so don't forget to check that out. To correct her dark circles and avoid grayish look after applying concealer and foundation, I'm starting off with an orange corrector. This will neutralize the dark tones and ensure a more even and natural finish. I'm using the LA color correction. Oh, that's a lot of colors. To brighten her under eye just a little bit, I am using a light brown shade from my NYX color correction palette to brighten up her eyes. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation that matches Sanai's skin tone perfectly, and to address her oily skin, I'm mixing a setting powder from e.l.f. This step is important to reduce oiliness, and it's crucial to find a shade that complements her skin without making her look too ashy or too orange. I like to apply it with my flat face brush for a bold finish, and I love the final look that it gives. Making sure to blend in well into her skin, including her jawline and neck, to avoid any harsh lines. Next, I am using a beauty sponge to press in the foundation for a skin-like finish. Next, I am using a concealer that's 1 and 2 shades lighter than her skin tone to highlight her under eyes, the bridge of her nose, forehead, and her chin. This step adds dimension to her face. Okay, now let's add some warmth to her face with a bronzer. I am applying it to the hollows of her cheeks, her nose, her temples, and her jawline. Bronzers add a beautiful sun-kissed glow and defines our features. So for her nose, I am applying the bronzer to the sides but avoiding the tip. Instead, I am applying the bronzer on the base of her nose to create an illusion of a straight nose. This technique enhances her natural features beautifully. Again, we're blending. We want everything to look seamless. So I am going in to blend in her concealer, then afterwards I'm going to go in to blend in her bronzer. A crucial step that I forgot to do was applying a lip balm and just moisturizing my lips, so that is exactly what I was doing here. You can't forget a crucial step, guys, but one thing is just remembering and doing this and just making sure like everything looks good at the end of the day. For blush, I am choosing a soft peachy pink shade from Marin palette, and working my way through her cheeks, I'm applying this gently with my brush. Isn't that lovely? I just love how blush adds a pop of color to our complexion. To set everything in place, I am using a translucent setting powder. This helps control shine and keep our makeup in place all day. Pressing the powder gently into her skin, especially in areas where she tends to get oily. I'm applying this powder on the hollows of her cheek and her chin. This just really keeps oil away from the areas where I don't want it to crease out. For her brows, I am refining the shape a little by shaving and cutting off excess hairs. Sinai has beautiful brows, so I am using an eyebrow pencil in a cool toned brown shade to define them further and add some depth. Pay attention to the technique I am using. It helps define where your arc and the tail of your eyebrows should start and end. After working my way into her brows, I applied a translucent powder on her brows, and this just softened her brows and created a really complete look for the soft glam. Next, I'm working my way into a bronzer by setting it with a powder bronzer. Now onto her eyes. For this soft glam look, I am using warm tones. I'm starting off with a light brick red shade all over her lid as a base, and I absolutely loved this look. Then taking a medium brown shade and blending it into her crease for some depth. I am creating a bold look on her eyes, and to add a bit of boldness, I went in to apply eyeliner to her crease and lash line. And this really makes her eyes look more defined and bolder. Using my Mary Kay eyeshadow smudger and another flat eyeshadow brush, I am blending this seamlessly to create a unison look. For her lower and upper waterline, I am going in with a black gel eyeliner, and this is just perfect for a bold eye look. Sinai eye were very sensitive, and so there were a little bit ups and downs there, but above everything, I just absolutely love the final look. Next, I am sweeping the setting powder away along her chin, under eye area, and the hollows of her cheeks. Next, I move into her lips and taking off the lip balm first and lining her lips with a lip liner in the shade Chocolate. I think I bought this lip liner set from Amazon, but I am going to put all of the description below, so make sure to check that. And after the lip liner, I am applying a nude lipstick. This really softens her mouth area and I absolutely love it. To create more contour and depth to your lips, I am applying the lip liner on a lip, but this time around using a deeper dark brown lip liner. Now setting and enhancing the blush area, I am going in with a baby pink blush. Isn't this just a bright look? I feel it completes the softness of this glam. Now to add some drama with mascara, I am using a volumerizing mascara from Maybelline to really make her lashes stand out and pop. If you want to add a pair of false lashes for extra glam, I believe that you can do this. I actually did apply a pair of lash cluster from Wispy. Time to shine, and I'm using a gold highlighter on the high points of her face, cheekbones, bridge of her nose, cupid's bow, and a touch on her forehead and chin, and the inner corners of her eyes. This technique really softens her features and adds like a beautiful subtle glow to her look. Finally, for some extra glow and extra shine to her lips, I am applying a clear lip gloss. And there you have it. Well, that is everything that I have for you today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video and learned one or two things from it. If you did, please comment below on things that you want to know more or want to see more in the future, and also like, subscribe, and also share to your friends. It would mean a lot to me if you do this, and I will see you in my next